Let's consider a software solution of CAPTCHA using the API of the SolveCaptcha service. Let's try to solve the reCAPTCHA V2, also known as I'm not a robot. Let's try to solve it manually. To do this, we need to select images that match the request. In this case, these are images of stairs. We select images and check. The CAPTCHA was solved successfully. Let's try to do the same programmatically using the API of SolveCaptcha service. On the GitHub at SolveCaptcha Python there are examples of scripts for various types of CAPTCHAs. In addition, there are instructions for installing these scripts, a description of configurations, an error handler and other necessary information in order to solve various types of CAPTCHAs. To demonstrate how the API of the SolveCaptcha service works, based on examples of scripts from the GitHub, we have prepared a file to which a unique API is added. You can find your API key on the SolveCaptcha service after registration and authorization in your profile. So the code of the error handler script has been added to this file. You can find it on the GitHub. We recommend using proxy for solving the CAPTCHA. In this file, you will need to transfer your proxy data to the SolveCaptcha service, IP, name, password, etc. In our executable file, we've already specified the URL where the CAPTCHA lives. In our script we pull the CAPTCHA parameters programmatically instead of grabbing them by hand, but you can extract them manually if that's easier for you. Let's try to solve the CAPTCHA by running the required file through the terminal. We grab the data site key from the web page, send it to the SolveCaptcha service, and then wait for the CAPTCHA to be solved. As soon as the CAPTCHA is solved, we receive the response. The script gets a token back from the service and drops it into the right field on the CAPTCHA page. The CAPTCHA was successfully passed.